The Sexual Harassment of Women at the Workplace Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Act 2013 mandates that every organization with 10 or more employees must constitute an internal committee, IC. The internal committee should have one external member who is from an NGO or an association committed to the cause of women or a person familiar with issues related to sexual harassment. It is important that the external member is independent and unrelated to the organization. External member plays a critical role in the discharge of the powers and duties of the IC, like supervising the inquiry proceedings of sexual harassment complaints to ensure objectivity and principles of natural justice are followed. Since the role of external member is very critical, organizations should set high standards when hiring them. Despite due diligence, many employers face major challenges in finding a suitable EM. Thanks to eLearnPosh, finding an external member for your organization has become a lot easier. Our external committee member directory has a list of external committee members that you can choose from. You can filter your search based on various criteria like location, years of experience, known languages, remuneration, educational qualification, etc. You can also message him or her directly from the portal. Shortlisting and choosing the right candidate is now a cakewalk. And the best part, this functionality is absolutely free of cost. eLearnPosh also offers comprehensive enablement programs on Posh. 45 minutes Posh Foundation e-learning module in 7 languages. 30 minutes Posh for Managers e-learning module and an interactive webinar by a Posh expert. 110 minutes Posh for IC members e-learning module with 3 periodic and interactive webinar by Posh experts for 90 minutes each on topics specific to IC responsibilities. SaaS offering with tools like FAQ, knowledge base and more. All this at an unbelievable price. For a free demo of the program, write to contact@elearnposh.com or give us a call.